Today we will be learning 2 ways to export in After Effects. Once you've finished your project, you can render composition on File, Export, Add to Render Queue, or on Composition, then choose Add to Render Queue. On Render Settings, you can use the default setting. On Output Module, you can use QuickTime. On Output 2, you can choose which folder you want to save the output. Once done, you can click Render. Now the other method. You can choose Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue. You can access it on Composition, or File, Export, and Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue. Adobe Media Encoder will open. Your composition will show on the queue window. On Preset, you can choose which preset you will need it to. I choose Match Source, High Bitrate. On the queue window, choose H.264. That will make your output in MP4 format. On Output File, choose which folder you want to save your finished composition. Then click the play icon on the upper right corner. Now wait for Adobe Encoder to finish rendering. Once it's done, check the output folder for your MP4 video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.